welcome back. My name is Addie Gunnan of Well Left Clothing, and today I have a very fun video for you. We are going to be Pinterest shopping our closets. And as you can probably tell, I am not in my closet. I filmed half of this before I came home and then realized that the other half was not filmed. So this little intro is brought to you by my childhood bedroom and a lot of quarantine crazies. So with that, I have been going a little stir crazy recently, and so I thought this would be a really fun way to get into the pieces that I already own and fall back in love with some old pieces, finally wear some new pieces, and be inspired by all those beautiful stylists that are out there in the world. So I will be taking Pinterest images that have been living in my Pinterest feed for so long. I am a hoarder of beautiful images. I'm going to take those and style them up in a way that fits my style. I basically do this every morning when I get dressed. I love to take some inspiration from other places and then pull it into the pieces that I already have. So we are focusing on our personal style because you know how big I am on personal style and wearing what makes you feel beautiful. This used to be pretty bad for me because I would look at Pinterest and see all these beautiful outfits and want all of the pieces that they had, and so I would search the internet for hours and I would find all of the pieces, and instead of using the pieces that I fell in love with in the store, I was accumulating all of these other things that I would wear once or twice rather than having pieces that I'll wear forever. So I am challenging you today to go into your closet and find pieces that you love and rework them to fit some newer styles. We are going to do exactly that today and put our own personal style flair on some really beautiful stylish outfits. So let's get inspired and let's get dressed.
Hey, I hope you're feeling.
Alrighty, so outfit number one for this Pinterest shopping our closets is this one right here. It is adorable, and I feel like it's one of those uniform outfits where you throw on a dress and a cardigan, some sneakers, and a scarf. You are good to go and set for your day. Almost like a jeans and t-shirt vibe to me. It's sort of casual, but still very chic and put together. And with the cropped cardigan, you're keeping sort of trendy, but with the midi dress, you're adding some personal style, and the scarf just elevates that look a little bit. But I think she has just such a cool girl vibe, like an effortless chic that she's going after and fully accomplishing with this look. I absolutely love this outfit, and I feel like everybody has at least some type of these pieces. I do, and I am so excited to see what kind of outfit I can come up with this one. So let's do it.
I hope you're feeling.
Oh my goodness, I love how this one turned out. The yellow sweater and the bag and the brooch, and oh my gosh, my favorite part I think about this is the little pin in the center. That is 100% an earring. And one of the things that I'm trying to challenge myself to do is use things in odd ways, and so an earring as a button on a sweater is a super fun way to do that. I don't have a sweater that looks exactly like hers because mine doesn't have buttons on the front. So one of the ways that I was changing up my outfit to be inspired by hers but not look exactly like it was to use the pieces that I had in my closet already. And I had this adorable blue and white jumpsuit that I'm using as my base, but with a different colored sweater, and it looks so good with this blue, so I thought it was a perfect addition to this outfit. I kept it with sneakers, and then I threw on this adorable burgundy bag with my scarf, the big hoops. I love this look so much, and I love the inspiration that it came from. I think it's such a fun way to take someone else's idea and to bring it into my own closet and just being me in my outfit. This next outfit is another adorable and freakishly inspiring outfit. It is this little monochromatic shabby chic. I think my personal style is honestly just comfort. I love a good sweatshirt or an oversized tee, some kind of flowy dress that's just not super fitted. There is so much effortless fabulousness whenever I throw on this kind of look. So I'm really excited to go after this one. I actually have a couple of pieces that look very similar. This is a picture from Free People, and I am often inspired by their mixes of rich texture and color and pattern. I love the combat boots with this look. Takes it from more ladylike line of the skirt and it elevates it to this like almost masculine touch with a little bit of harshness to it. So let's see what I come up with.
Say I hope you're.
I am in love with this outfit. I think this is the epitome of who I am. I love a giant sweatshirt, front tuck, a flowy skirt. I feel feminine and in fashion, but still very comfy. Instead of the orange combat boots, I took it a different direction. I wanted to put a little bit more of that white from this sweatshirt. So I put my white Huarache sandals on, and it keeps it a little more on the spring side too. I think the monochromatic is really what just gives this outfit its big kick. Otherwise, it's just very simple pieces. When you pile on all the monochromatic, it just turns into this very chic, very cute look. Mixing it with this silk skirt and this deep rust color is just such a cool combination. I don't think I will ever fall out of love with anything in my closet that is this rusty orange color. It is my favorite color, and I think I wear a rust outfit once every week. So this is my full rust outfit for this video. Still keeping it springy and happy and so in tune with my shabby chic, wonderful, crazy, whatever my personal style is. I love it, and I think that's what's so much fun about personal style is it's yours. Call it whatever you want. It gets to be whatever it wants. So this next video, I was gonna say video. Oh, so this next photo of inspiration is this one right here. It is such a good vintage bike short. Oh my gosh, can you even believe that she put bike shorts with a buttoned up blazer? Oh, such a good outfit. And I love the vintage heels in this, and it feels very trendy and modern, but with very cool personal style touches with the lime green and the shoulder padded blazer. It's just a very interesting way to mix different styles. So it has a little bit of the athletic vibe to it, but then the big diva sunglasses too just make the whole outfit so cute. This is just a perfect outfit for everyday things. It can easily transition from brunch to errand running to some kind of summer soiree maybe. I don't know, it's just so perfectly chic. I think the key to this one for me was taking the adorable color and putting it on the shoes and the shirt, and then keeping the shorts completely simple, which bring in your trendy bike short vibe. So I am going to hopefully do this outfit justice. Let's see what I come up with. Ooh, I feel like a diva in this outfit. But you know what? I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. It's very casual, but also very elevated. And I honestly think that this outfit would not work without giant diva sunglasses. I think you have to have those. And the straw bag brings it back down to that casual sense of everyday wear. I'm having so much fun in this. I took one of my printed blazers because I love adding some pattern to looks. These bike shorts and these shoes that mirror the same colors in the blazer, which I think really pulls the whole outfit together. My earrings also have that same sort of mustardy tone. The bike shorts are just an unexpected element that makes the outfit so cool. When I first saw this picture, I was thinking, oh, I don't have anything that looks like that. I wish I had some Mary Janes, but I just took the shoes and the shirts that I do have and matched them up and made a look that I feel so good in and I'm so inspired by, which is exactly what we're going for here in shopping our closet. So how much fun that we're accomplishing this thing and finding new life in old pieces. I would never think to wear a blazer this way, but with inspiration, I get to wear something that I love even more than the Pinterest image because it's stuff that I fell in love with in this store. Today's YouTube video is brought to you by color. All of these have been so colorful and so much fun, and that is not lacking in this next outfit. I am so inspired by this little outfit right here. It's just the purple, which is one of my favorite colors and I think always will be. And I just got an amazing purple blouse that I think will be so good for this. Just between the blazer and the shorts, and you know she is wearing some amazing strappy shoes with this outfit, and a men's blazer. You cannot go wrong with a men's blazer, but you can go much more right if it's over a full purple outfit with some strappy heels and a green bag. All of those amazing, effortlessly chic feelings, and I'm really excited to try this one. So let's do it. How do I begin to even talk about this outfit? It is crazy and wild and so much fun, and I don't think I would ever come across it without Pinterest. This is so me and so happy, but still very vintage and very menswear. Love mixing masculine and feminine, and this is no miss on that. It is a perfect marriage of both feminine and masculine, just with all the colors and the silhouettes and the ruffles. But then this is literally my husband's blazer that I threw over the top of it because I loved the lightweight linen, but I am definitely going to be stealing this blazer again. So taking inspiration first of all from the purple and wanting to wear this ruffled purple blouse but not having any purple shorts led to this really fun color combo mixing, and I love that I am wearing my little purple strappy vintage heels with it. I've had these green shorts for a while and they're almost corduroy but very thin, and I just haven't thought to wear them yet, but what a fun way to do that, and we would not have done it without shopping our closet. I think we nailed this little pinspiration outfit and taking that purple, those ruffles, that girly, that menswear, and just smushing it all together and creating a fabulous outfit. This next outfit is oh so good. It is using one of my thrift flips from last week's thrift flip video, and I am so excited to wear it, but this is the inspiration for it. And when I saw this inspiration, my jaw dropped. I don't know what it is about it, but it's so classic, but still so stylish and funky. The mix between the warm and the cool tones of this outfit just gave me so much inspiration, and it just feels good. Great job of mixing trendy with classic. So if this was in black and white, it would be the most classic outfit in the world, but with those blues and oranges, it just elevates it so much. And I am so excited to see how I can pull these pieces together into my own personal style and use my thrift flip piece. So let's do it. This might be a quintessential Addie Gunnin look right here. So vintage, so comfy, with texture and color, and a scarf, which is always the piece de resistance of my outfits. So I started with my little thrift flip set, like I said, and I have never seen someone tuck in a flip set, I've never seen someone tuck in a sweater set before, but I think that's what made this outfit so interesting and cool. So I started by tucking it into my lavender pants. I loved the fact that it used the same cool tone and warm tone. The lavender and the rust is playing off of that same as the neon and the blue in the inspiration photo. I threw on the same kind of shoe with a mule, and I threw on my little scarf that I think ties this whole thing together. Gives me my own personal touch to my outfits, and a scarf has always been my favorite accessory. I love a wide leg pant, but I think that the pencil of this pant does beautiful things for the silhouette. It almost gives it a 50s taste to it. So we're taking this 40s, 50s, and we are moving on to our next piece. This next one is kind of scary. I'm a little worried about it because it's just kind of avant-garde and out there. So this is my inspiration for this next outfit, and I just think it's so good. It's like a gown with a knit top underneath it. It almost looks athletic, but then putting the like Teva sandal with it and some socks and dressing it way down with the fishnet top is such a cool way to wear your gown. I always love in winter putting turtlenecks under gowns and wearing them to normal events, even just to hang out with friends or going to like a somewhat casual party. It makes your outfit interesting and cool to throw on those unexpected pieces. So I love a good unexpected look, and I'm going to attempt this, but I honestly don't completely know what pieces I have in my closet that will look good with this, but I might be going to my athletics drawer. So let's see what we can come up with. Holy cow, this is probably the most inventive and creative that I've been in a really long time. I love to use jackets into dresses and all kinds of fun stuff. You saw me make a blazer into a shirt today. This one is so much fun because I used a poncho underneath a dress to get this same kind of knit look as this amazing Pinterest photo. So I took my inspiration there and I put on some athletic shirts and all kinds of different pieces that just didn't quite have the same chic vibe. That takes some trial and error her. But then I found this piece and I died a little bit because it looks so good. And the little tassels show out of the bottom of the dress too. Perfect to layer with this dress. And I really only have like 2 or 3 strappy dresses, so I was so glad that these 2 colors looked great together. The socks with sandals just tie everything together. I also took 2 pairs of earrings and layered them to be more of a statement earring with my 2 hoops. I think I'm just gonna wear this for the rest of the day because it's so comfortable and still makes me feel absolutely beautiful. Stop distracting. Peter's playing with a sock puppet behind camera, so. It has been a long day and we are wrapping up some quarantine crazies, but this has been one of my favorite videos. So much fun just messing around in my closet and using some inspiration from outside sources and some of my pieces that I already own and getting to shop my closet. Most of these pieces I've had for years, or a couple of them are new pieces that I was so excited to get to wear. So I'm glad that I could mix them up together and take some inspiration to make some outfits that really felt like me. So I hope that this video has inspired y'all to just get in your closet and go absolutely crazy, because you never know what's gonna come out of it, like a poncho underneath a dress. Oh my goodness. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I hope that y'all are staying safe and healthy and sane, because I know that we're losing our minds over here. Thank you so much for styling up some Pinterest inspiration with me today. Subscribe, like this video, comment, and let me know what fun pieces that you're finding in your closet. I would love to see what inspires y'all. And then head on over to my Instagram and give me a follow. There is so much fun, eclectic, crazy happening over there too. You are well loved. I'll see you next week. Bye!